सब आ गए? वेरी नाइस, टाइम से पहले आ गए. हाँ, थैंक्स भैया, थैंक यू. Okay, so I hope everybody here is comfortable and relaxed. हाँ, Alok bhai, how are you? Same show. हाँ, Jai Shri Krishna to you too. And Karishma Ben, how are you? All good? JSK to you too. आपने कुछ लिया? कुछ टी कॉफी, कोल्ड ड्रिंक? अरे प्रमोद भाई, अरे उनको कोल्ड ड्रिंक दो ने. Look how hot she is looking. कहाँ गया प्रमोद भाई? Oh प्रमोद भाई, कोल्ड ड्रिंक दो उनको. Look how hot she is looking. Huh? Looking hot? You got my joke? Hot? Huh? Nice. Okay, everybody. So now that you all are here, I'm very happy. I hope you all have been treated nicely. You're feeling relaxed and comfortable. I think my arrangements were very good and tip top. किसी को यहाँ पे आने में प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हुई ना? Like address ठीक ठाक दे दिया ना मैंने? क्या होता है ना? मेरा जो arrangement होता है, it's always tip top. I never fall. अरे उनको कोई माइक दो नहीं. We want to praise you. क्या हुआ भाई साहब? माइक सामने पकड़ो. तो पैसे मिलते हैं एंगेजमेंट में जाने के लिए? हाँ. But what is this? Your complaint? This is not good. I mean, my arrangements are always good, but let me tell you all that I was not responsible for this. It's one little thing I told Imtiaz Bhai to take care of. Seems like he is not managed. So Imtiaz Bhai, where are you? If you could please come here and address this, making me look bad over here. Yeah, all girls are all big fans of you, but I'm not a huge fan of you right now. Huh? One small direction I gave you, you could not follow.
What is the problem? You're looking so hot.
Yeah, but
I must say.
thanks. But what is this? Why is this man complaining over here?
He's complaining?
Yes.
About what?
Seems like you've not taken care of this belly parking and all of that.
So how can I take care of parking? I was busy editing, man.
Editing?
Yeah.
Oh. You also work for paper like that?
What do you mean?
You said no, editing. What are the work
I'm not a press editor. I was editing the film.
Oh, our film.
Yes.
The very made Kajal.
Exactly.
Oh, acha. So tell me one thing. Why didn't you edit your other film?
What do you mean?
They were a little long, eh? Like, so right now I would say you stop making all these excuses and please answer this question. One small thing I told you to do.
Sejal Ben, everything is okay. Please don't panic.
How not to panic? There's so much stuff to do, so many tayaris that I need to take care of. And what if you won't and come? What is this outfit? I told you to wear a proper suit, eh?
No, this is a suit, man.
But what is this combination? Who wears this combination? Looking like a schoolboy.
Do you think you have to talk about my schoolboyishness right now? The press is waiting.
Oh,
please carry on with your engagement.
Sorry, and I also know that if you make the press wait, sometimes you write bad things about your film. So, you guys must not wait.
Yeah.
And okay, everyone. So, without further ado, let me tell you all why you all are here. For many days now, we've been seeing this ring, and the chapter has been going on. I want to put it to an end today. So, in front of all of you all, Alok bhai, Karishma Ben, we are going to do my engagement function. Okay? I'm going to wear my ring, which has been given to me by my lovely fiancé. And I'm going to take a nice photo. Where will you take it? Should you take it there? You take it. I'll take a nice selfie over there. And I'm going to do FaceTime chat with him. How does that sound to everybody? You are not looking very excited about my engagement, right? Thank you. Okay, so ring done.
Ring मेरे पास नहीं है, Sejal. I gave it to you.
But I gave to you. Take a look at it.
You take in your pocket. I gave the ring to you.
I'm fashionably dressed. I don't have pockets.
So what can I do? I gave the ring to you.
But I don't have it.
But when you were leaving for Europe, I gave you the ring, no?
So what are you saying, that I don't have a ring right now because I've lost it again?
Oh my God, yeah, you called people for your engagement, you lost the ring again?
I don't want to cut it, sorry because this is very embarrassing. Sorry everybody, but we will just sort it out.
Okay, listen. Remember when you went to Europe, you had a tour guide? You said he was very bharose wala aadmi and all that.
He's good at his job.
Yeah. So then why don't you call him and ask him? Maybe he knows where the ring is.
No.
Why?
You don't know.
What? Character खराब है उसका?
Cheap है ना?
Cheap है? Oh. But then अभी what to do now? You have to only take his help name.
So what do we do?
You call him.
Should we call him?
Yeah, let me call him.
Okay, so you call him.
I'm calling him, huh? You
Okay,
better
so-
don't fight with him this time.
I will not fight with him. Okay,
Yeah, we want the ring for the engagement.
Yeah, okay.
I'm calling him.
Okay.
Okay, someone call him.
Part of my arrangement. I don't know why I'm shocked. Oh! Why is Harry thing like dawn?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Is it this Jason again?
Hi,
No.
Harry.
Not Harry. It's Harry.
Wait a minute, Harry.
Yeah, no, Harry.
What is this?
You asked him about the ring.
Oh, sorry. Harry, listen. I need your help now. I've lost my engagement ring.
I am really sorry. I can't help you with this engagement ring of yours. I'm on my time off. अभी मेरा टाइम है तो मैं आपका हेल्प नहीं कर सकता हूँ प्लीज.
How you think? Of course you have to help me. You only taken us to all the European places. Now that's where I lost my ring. So please help me, Harry.
मैं क्या हेल्प करूँ? बाय द वे एंगेजमेंट हो रही है आपकी. इट्स वेरी गुड न्यूज ने. So all the best name, but I cannot help you. I'm sorry. I have to do my thing. Bye bye. Beg him. Just somehow get the ring.
Harry, listen. Normally I will not ask you for this, but then you do happen to be the best tour guide there, and you have taken us all around here. So please help us. I mean, help me. Give me the ring.
अच्छा. Let me think something.
Yeah.
Oh,
Think
yes.
about all the places you went to the zoo.
याद है हर जगह जहाँ हम जा रहे थे तो आपकी फैमिली जो थी वीडियो बना रही थी इस सब का.
Yes. We have to put on Facebook.
तो मे बी अगर आपके पास वो वीडियो हो वो आप प्ले करें तो उसमें शायद आपको मालूम पड़ जाए आपके रिंग कहाँ है.
Oh, that's a very good idea. Harry, first time you've come up with one good idea, eh? Good job. Well done.
Harry, not Harry. Harry is the guy standing next to you with long hair.
This one's going really good today. Great joke also.
Very jokey nature.
Okay, chalo. Then show the video to me of my family. हाँ, चलो.
मेरे पास आपका वीडियो फैमिली का कैसे होगा? आपका फैमिली का वीडियो तो आपके पास होगा ना, मेरे पास होना हो यहाँ पे.
Okay, you told me one thing you want to do next up. Now can you do this one thing properly?
This is what I was editing. That's what I was telling you.
Oh,
Should I go ahead?
पहले बोला कितना आते था? You want to.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the much awaited video of what happened when जब Harry met Tejas. मेकअप तो देखा नहीं ना मैंने मैम. मैं परफॉर्मेंस ओरिएंटेड डायरेक्टर हूँ ना, फैशन का डायरेक्टर थोड़ी हूँ ना.
तो आपको लग भी नहीं था फैशन के लिए कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते आप रहने दो.
अरे अभी देखते हैं. Yes sir.
Dear friends of the media, please ask questions related to the movie.
So you can ask Harry the questions. He'll be responding from LA behind us, and there is Sejalban and there is me. Hi Varsha, hi Praj, and hi everyone. Thank you everyone for being here.
खान साहब, दिस इज आलोक हियर, अगर आप सुन पा रहे हो.
मुझे आ रही है, आपको आ रही है मेरी आवाज?
आ रही है खान साहब. सवाल ये है कि मिनी ट्रेल्स के बाद इतना ताबड़तोड़ ट्रेलर आपको वहां से कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे थोड़ा रुक के आ रहा है यार, एक बीट. लेकिन मुझे ट्रेलर से भी ज़्यादा आप लोग बहुत अच्छे लग रहे वहाँ पे जो आए हुए एक के एंगेजमेंट पे, और मिठाई खाकर ज़रूर जाना. आई थिंक द आइडिया वॉज कि मैंने पहले बोला था कि हैरी और सेजल को हम पहले और फिर उसकी जो कहानी है उसके बारे में बताएं. तो इतने दिनों से मैंने ट्रेलर भी आ गया.
सर आपसे भी सवाल है कि मिनी ट्रेल्स आए, छोटे छोटे विजुअल्स आए, कितना मुश्किल था ये ट्रेलर काटना, क्योंकि सभी को इंतजार था कि अब क्या डिफरेंस देने वाले हैं.
मुश्किल तो नहीं था, बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी उसके अंदर कहने के लिए. मगर ये डिसीजन कि हम पहले मिनी ट्रेल दिखाएंगे, ये
एक्चुअली शाहरुख सर का डिसीजन था जो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही अच्छा था। और फिर बाद में जब थोड़ी जिज्ञासा हुई, जब लोगों को थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट आया तो फिर हम पूरा ट्रेलर हमने लाया, तो मुश्किल नहीं था, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोसेस था।
अनुष्का,
Hi.
am I looking handsome?
Too good.
Okay, thank you. तो सुबह हुआ है तो मैं अभी नहा के आया।
Of course. Guru.
You're looking freshly
You're
bathed.
looking like आप definitely नहा के आए हो.
Thank you.
हेलो सर, दीपक कालरा, निगमा जोगी। हेलो। हाँ, तो मेरा सवाल ये सर, ये मिनी ट्रेल फिर ट्रेलर, ये क्या नया कुछ सीन सेट हो रहा है? मतलब सीन सेट हो रहा है प्रमोशन, मिनी ट्रेल फिर ट्रेलर।
मुझसे पूछ रहा है, इम्तियाज से पूछ रहा है,
सर आप दोनों से पूछ रहे हैं, आप
तो मैं
बोलो
जवाब
सर।
देता हूँ।
हाँ सर।
हाँ, तो, यार क्या है, पहले हमारे जो कैरेक्टर्स थे हैरी और तेजन दीपक, हम उनको दिखाना चाहते थे मोर देन एक्सपीरियंस द स्टोरी। तो ट्रेलर जो होता है अमूमन कहानी के बारे में भी होता है सिवाय कैरेक्टर। तो वो हम चाह रहे थे कि बाद में आए, क्योंकि हमारी फिल्म में दो चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी हैं। एक तो जो कैरेक्टर है हैरी और तेजन का जो इम्तियाज है, तो उसकी इंट्रोडक्शन ज़रूरी थी, लाजमी थी। तो लोग पिक्चर को क्या है सारी चीज़ें भी जानते हैं। और इसके अलावा हमारा म्यूजिक जो है बहुत जैसे जो पीकन दा ने दिया इरशाद खान के साथ, तो वो हम चाह रहे थे कि इससे ज़्यादा लोग पहले परिचित हो जाएं। और जो कहानी है लव स्टोरी है, तो अमूमन लव स्टोरी में जैसा होता है इसके लिए कोई नया रूप देना उसको, हालांकि कहानी में अपनी एक दुनिया ज़रूर, तो वी वांटेड टू ब्रिंग इट डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। 10-12 साल पहले ही पिक्चर की रिलीज के टाइम से
मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा था ट्रेलर, तो लेट हो गया।
मुझे बुरा तो नहीं लग रहा है।
नहीं, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया, मैं भी ठीक हो गया आजकल।
क्योंकि मुझे लगता ही होगी।
आज का भी फेस्टिव दिन है. Yeah, I did. I mean, I think if you're working with a director like Imtiaz, and a character that he's not attempted before, or action person, it's basically however it is. If you haven't done something like this, it's very exciting and you feel actually kind of thrilled and confident कि ये मतलब if you follow his directions properly, then it will come out good because he has a lot of conviction as a director about his characters. And then you know my level of comfort that I share with Shahrukh as a co-actor is something that gives me a lot of I guess that sense of calm, you know, to be able to attempt something like this, because I was a little skeptical in the beginning. Like I really wanted to be able to pull it off or not. Yeah, but then now I'm happy that people are liking it and liking CG and it's very tasty. Exactly.
Yes, yes. Hi, Aman.
या सर शाहरुख सर ने आपको आपकी तारीफ का उल्लेख करें, आपका जो रोमांस है वो रोमांस की चीज़ों की खोज, या आप क्या ढूंढ रहे होते हैं या क्या कुछ करना चाह रहे होते हैं अपने कैरेक्टर के जैसे?
कुछ तो है जो मिला नहीं, जिसकी तलाश रहती है, वो क्या है ये नहीं पता होता। ये फिल्म के डायलॉग हैं जो आप इस फिल्म में देखेंगे।
I was like, wow, he's so deep with his answers.
तो बट इट्स द ट्रूथ ऑल्सो, आपको एक्चुअली दरअसल पूरी तरह से नहीं पता होता। और कभी इंटेंशन ये नहीं होता है कि आप रोमांस की फिल्म बनाएं, जो कहानी आपके दिल में आती है आप वही कहानी बनाते हैं। तो ये कहानी की वो आ गई।
ये कहानी कैसे आई थी? कोई मतलब क्या कुछ
एक्चुअली मैं सच ही बता देता हूँ सर। बस तो एक बार मेरी माँ मुझसे कह रही थी कि ऐसी फिल्म बनाओ जिसमें जगह जगह अलग अलग अच्छी जगहों पे जा करके शूट करना पड़े तुमको, और तुमको विजिट करने के लिए मैं भी आऊँ और वो सारी जगह देखूँ एक ही फिल्म में। तो मैंने बोला ये तो बहुत सिंपल है, टूर गाइड पे फिल्म बना देता हूँ। तो उन्होंने कहा ये क्या कहानी है कि टूर गाइड है, और भी तो कुछ बना देना। नहीं लड़की होगी छोटी जैसा। तो तो ये ऐसे स्टार्ट हुई थी। तो बहुत दिन के बाद मैं शाहरुख सर से मिलता रहे कभी बीच में, तो उन्होंने कहा कि कोई कहानी है तुम्हारे पास? तो मैंने एक कहानी सुनाई। फिर उन्होंने कहा अच्छा कोई और है? तो मैंने बोला एक बहुत ही स्वीट कहानी है जो आप सुनना पसंद करोगे। तो उनका इंटरेस्ट जाग गया। उन्होंने कहा हाँ ये सुनाओ। ऐसे कोई कहानी नहीं है, ऐसी वाली है, बहुत सिंपल है, ऐसे वैसे करके वो एक्चुअली मैंने ज़्यादा पूरी सोची नहीं थी, मैंने उनको सुना दी। तो उन्होंने बोला ये तो ठीक है, ये बनाते हैं। तो दैट्स हाउ इट केम टू इट।
एक्चुअली मैंने इम्तियाज को बोला कि अब तुम माँ के आशीर्वाद वाली फिल्म बनाओ, दूसरी को चल मेरी भाई हमारी आशीर्वाद वाली को।
पंजाब सर आप खुद ये दोनों कैरेक्टर जो हैं, लेकिन आपकी फिल्मों में थोड़ी पंजाब, तो आपकी फिल्मों में जो हमें देखते रहता है कि किसी न किसी तरीके से पंजाब या उनके गाँव आते हैं, असम के या बिहार के गाँव की नहीं।
देखिए ये भाई भतीजावाद में नहीं करना चाहता हूँ। तो जहाँ भी इंटरेस्ट होता है, जहाँ कहानी जहाँ ले जाती है आप वहाँ जाते हो, जहाँ के कैरेक्टर्स हो जाते हो वो आपको बाद में पता चलता है कि वो वहाँ के हो गए। मुझे कुछ नहीं पता कि उसकी जैसे हरिंदर सिंह मेहरा का रोल कर रहे हैं शाहरुख खान इस फिल्म में, और वो भी पंजाब का कैरेक्टर है। अब वो क्यों हो जाता है पंजाब का ये मुझे नहीं पता, वो जीत फिल्म क्यों होगी पंजाब की ये मुझे नहीं पता, मगर गुजरात की हैं सेजल बहन, बॉम्बे की जो गुजराती कम्युनिटी है उसकी है। हम ऐसे लोगों से मेरी बहुत दोस्ती रही है, बहुत हम रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं उनको, बहुत पैशनेटेड भी हैं। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा, मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि थोड़े से गुजराती कैरेक्टर से हम बॉम्बे में देखते हैं।
अनुष्का, इसमें जो लाइनर है कि जिसकी खोज में आप हैं वो भी आपकी तलाश करता है, इससे कितना इत्तेफाक लगती है असल ज़िंदगी में?
मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा। जब मैं टॉपिक ले जाऊँगी, लेकिन जब मैं छोटी थी तो मैंने जगह पे पढ़ा था दैट when the student is ready the teacher appears, you know, so I think this is a kind of extension of that। और ये रिव्यू की क्या बोलते कहावत है, एंड आई एम a huge fan of Rumi, have always been, and I must tell you that the way I was introduced to him was actually through your film। I started reading up on him क्योंकि मुझे कोई जिज्ञासा है फिलोसफी में, एंड आई टोटली बिलीव इन दैट। जो इनफैक्ट आप जो सोचते हैं, जो आप चाहते हैं, वही आपको मिलता है, वही रिफ्लेक्ट करता है। कहते हैं ना कभी कभी मूड खराब होता है, ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा इरिटेट करने लग जाता है, लोग ज़्यादा इरिटेटिंग लगने लग जाते हैं क्योंकि आप अंदर से पुड़े हुए रहते हैं। तो आई कुछ पुड़े हुए तो ग्रेट है ना। So I totally believe in this, and I think this is a beauty of India's film, you know, they have that।
आज ये बहुत तारीफ कर रही है मेरी।
नहीं तो आपको मतलब
मैं
जितना
तो पैसे वैसे
जब
नहीं
ये
देने
लोग
वाला हूँ।
दोगे
नहीं दूंगा।
as long as Shahrukh gives this prize।
हाँ, बच्चे की
I'm the producer of this film। But yeah, so I do believe that इनकी कहानियों में जो है कि ये होती है, जो फिलोसफी होती है जिसके ऊपर एक पूरी कहानी बनी होती है, लाइफ भी वैसी होती है, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई यू कनेक्ट टू इट so much more, and that's why I was such an ardent fan of his movie।
शाहरुख सर, what do you have to say about this new philosophical side of Anushka Sharma?
सर ये इतनी डीप है मुझे पता नहीं था। मुझे तो लगा आती हैं अपने गाने गाने करती हैं, बोलती हैं, काम चलाओ की आपसे, लेकिन इतनी इनडेप्थ बातें करने लगी हैं तो जितना तो सर आपका हुआ होगा सर या मेरा हुआ होगा।
अरे but
आई एम नोटिसिंग
I'm not seeing that in front of me, and both of you are standing over there। I can't be deep because you all I'm feeling very shallow। So I'm not being deep। Alok is very deep। He's a deep philosophical person। He's coming out talking to him। Actually, I must tell you all, this man has convinced me that he's Mohit Chauhan for a very long time, and he's spoken to me for 2 minutes, posing to me because I thought he's Mohit Chauhan। So I started talking to him, I was like, no, rockstar का music मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और आपने कितना से गाया और and he was listening to me for 2 minutes। बाद में बोलता है मैं मोहित चौहान नहीं हूँ। तो पहले क्यों नहीं बोला यार? आपका फिल्म का कनेक्शन
यही फिलोसॉफिकल बात है मुझका कि देखो आरजे आलोक को मोहित चौहान बना दिया। आपकी हरकतों से ही, बट आई नोटिस अनुष्का, तुम जब से मुझे बार बार फिल्में कर रही हो, तुम डीपर पर्सन और मोर इंटेलिजेंट और स्मार्ट होती जा रही हो.
For sure.
Okay, Anushka, here on your left. So, Shahrukh sir said that every script which Vidya Devi went to him, not offered him, but then he read his script too. And he chose it because he was happy to do it. Has there ever been an offer from Media which you didn't do because it wasn't that happy? And why did you choose to do Jab Harina Thi?
मैंने
जो सब मालूम है,
Ambush.
जो सब मालूम है.
What kind of an ambush is this, boys?
Controversy
ऐसा कभी
created.
भी नहीं हुआ है. That will never happen. The first film he offered me, I said yes to it. It was Jab Harina Thi.
Why are they saying your line? What is it? You are philosophical and a liar.
What is it about Jab Harina Thi which drew you instantly to this show?
Yeah, I mean, it really has to be something that you can connect with. I mean, I have wanted to work with Imtiaz for the longest time. In fact, I mean, if at all I ever had the thought that maybe acting karna chahiye was in a rickety old theatre in Bikaner where I was watching Jabina with my parents. जहाँ पे वो जैसे बीच में आए हैं ना, वहाँ पे वो चेयर लगा दिया करती थी प्लास्टिक की, जब ज़्यादा लोग बढ़ जाते थे. And if you sit over there and watch the film, so I was watching Jabina there and I saw this thing and I was like, wow, this is amazing. This is something that
No, not yet.
Huh? What is that? This is something that I would like to. Please just saying not yet, not yet. That I would like to. I would like to be part of movies when I saw the character of Deep. So I think maybe it was because of the portrayal of that character and the depth that that he could see. ये कौन है इंसान बीच में मुझे बोल रहा है? Is this my inner voice? That's suddenly loud.
We are
Coming
doing
out since my philosophical side has come out in your
We are doing promotions of Big Beach में.
हिंदी में बात कर रहा है.
Big Beach में बात कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, so I think it is something that I've always wanted to do with Imtiaz, a film that I've always wanted to do with him, but this seemed like the film which I would really enjoy, have a great time collaborating with him. And so this is the one. In any case, since he says philosophical, जो होना होता है सो होता है. जिसको जो पिक्चर करनी होती है वो उसकी तकदीर में होती है. और ये पिक्चर मेरी तकदीर में थी तो मैंने करी. और हमारा इस पिक्चर में साथ काम करना निश्चय था, कुछ हुआ है. बस सब ऊपर वाले की कृपा है. वो ही है, उसके हाथों में हम सबकी डोर है. हम तो बस चल रहे हैं जहाँ हमको लेके जा रहा है. हम तो सब कठपुतलियाँ हैं, बस उसकी लीला. इम्तियाज है आपके सामने, आपके सामने. आपसे मेरा सवाल है कि आपकी फिल्मों में सफ़र भी एक इम्पोर्टेंट
इंग्लिश वाला या हिंदी वाला?
नहीं, हिंदी वाला. इसकी कोई खास वजह है? और फिल्मों जैसे आपने कहा कि आप फिल्मों को लेकर के कंफ्यूज रहती हैं, कहानियों को लेकर कंफ्यूज रहते हैं, तो उसको हम कैसे करते हैं?
होपफुली कहानियों को लेकर कंफ्यूज नहीं रहता हूँ, मगर हाँ सफ़र बहुत होता है मेरी फिल्मों में. वो इसलिए क्योंकि बचपन से जब मैं सफ़र कर रहा होता था तो बहुत सारी कहानियाँ आती थी, और सफ़र के वक्त से आई हुई कहानी में खुद भी सफ़र होता है, तो एक जिसको साइकिल जिसको कहते हैं ना, वो हो जाता है. तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे पर्सनली सफ़र करना भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है हिंदी में. तो वो मैं जब करता हूँ तो और कहानी आती है, तो ऐसे चलता रहता है.
मुझका आपसे सवाल है कि जब पहली बार आप शाहरुख से मिली थी, तो फर्स्ट आपका जब अनुष्का में शाहरुख से क्या ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि वो मेरी पहली फिल्म थी और मैं उनको अपनी शूटिंग की मेरी पिक्चर की जो शूटिंग थी उसके पहले दिन पे मैं उनको मिली थी और सेट पे ही मिली थी. So I've never met him before and obviously I knew him as the superstar Shahrukh Khan, and now I'm going to be doing a film with him and a romantic film at that. So I was very nervous obviously. I was nervous and मेरी पहली फिल्म थी, ये बहुत कुछ नहीं चल रहा था दिमाग में. And I met him and actually he was just very very nice and congratulated me for doing the film. And उसके बाद he was just really chilled out and I felt very comfortable in his presence. He was not intimidating. Just I think I realized much later what a huge support he had been in my first film, because he really did make everything very easy for me as a newcomer without making it obvious. जताए बिना he was making things easy for me, and I thought that was very very nice of him. Until date, whenever I've worked with actors who have perhaps, doing their first film or even an ad and you work with somebody, I always want to pay back and, be as helpful as I possibly can because of the way Shahrukh is to me. So I feel like I find it easy to do that because I know what a huge help it was for me. And yeah, so it's always beautiful and I'm always grateful whenever I'm working with him. And yeah, even Imtiaz, it also tells you that even now, like even if he's had this knee issue and injury and he's hurting and Imtiaz will see something from like he just spring up and be like, "Mom, ऐसे करते हैं." I think even I can't think of showing that kind of, that kind of enthusiasm because he continues to do. So you have to respect somebody at that level, at that status, who has that kind of commitment for every day, shoot. It's tremendous.
Hi, Anushka. Anushka, to your right.
If you can stand, it will be very easy for all of us.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Anushka, before Imtiaz, you worked with Yash Chopra and Aditya Chopra in different films. And both of them have different ideas of you. How was it to work under Imtiaz setup of romance? How different was it?
I mean, yes, I have had good fortune of working with Yashi and having done a film with him and Adi, with Shahrukh. Firstly, I'm very grateful for that opportunity. I think for me, what makes Imtiaz so special and his love story and his characters so memorable is that, when you watch his film, you see you're watching his movie and then you see moments in the film or you see how certain things are panning out and you feel like यार ऐसा होता है. In love, these things happen, but ये कभी हमने फिल्मों में देखा नहीं होता है. But we see it fresh, new, something that is very relevant. It happens in a relationship, but we don't see that on screen, and we see that in Imtiaz's film. तो जो वो बारीकी से जो समझते हैं ना love को this relationship between man and woman, I think this is something that is unparalleled. His understanding of it, and you can relate to it when you watch films, and that's why I think you feel so. मतलब दिल से you feel for his कहानी, that is I do. So I think that's what makes him special.
Hi, Anushka. Hi, Anushka, आपके सामने.
You will not be able to.
Anushka, आपके
Literally 20 rupees. I'm not exaggerating. That's also for auto because Thank you.
I'll write a check.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hi,
Blank
Anushka.
dinner.
अनुष्का आपकी बोलिए. अनुष्का, क्या कोई बॉलीवुड का ऐसा एक्टर है जिसकी हरकतें देख के आपको लगा हो कि कितनी स्वीट हरकतें जिनके साथ आपने काम किया हो या आपने मन में सोचा हो ना फनी है?
मेरे ऐसे बहुत एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं बॉलीवुड के कई सारे एक्टर्स मुझे बहुत ठीक लगते हैं.
सर, आप नाम बताना चाहेंगे?
जरूर. सबका नाम बताएं. SMS करूँ आपके बाद में. आप नंबर दे दो मुझे अपना.
अनुष्का, आपका आंसर?
नहीं यार, I was just joking because we can't take this question very seriously. You don't.
Yeah, just to your right. Hi. So during Tamasha, you have said you don't know what love is, and people are now talking about your style of romance and love. So in the kind of ironical that most of the things have a very deeper sense of love, but you say that you don't know what love is.
अनुष्का के साथ
Why
रहते
is
हैं
Shahrukh
ना?
smiling? Let's ask him that.
Sir, any particular reason for your smile?
Because I finally joined back. मैं काफी देर से कट ऑफ था तो मुझे पता नहीं साथ में क्या बातें करते थे. I came back to the scene.
So we were talking about various things, about who is cheap in this industry. Any hero who is cheap, Anushka was asked. No, she didn't take
expensive.
She didn't take your name. Sir, I don't think he can hear us properly. Sir, can you hear us?
Hi, Anushka.
I was asking about your style of romance and You said you don't know what love is.
आपने कैफी आजमी का नाम सुना है? उन्होंने एक लिखा था बहुत पहले कि जो कहीं गई मैं मुझसे वो ज़माना कह रहा है कि फसाना बन गई है मेरी बात चलते चलते। तो अनुष्का के साथ रह के मैं भी थोड़ा फिलोसॉफिकल और पोलिटिक होता जा रहा हूँ, बट मुझे अब भी मेरा जवाब वही होगा कि मुझे एक्चुअली नहीं पता है, ना मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ, बट यू डोंट नो व्हाई यू डू द थिंग्स दैट यू डू।
But the second question is about the title of the film. Many people have not liked the title of the film, and
ब्लेम रणबीर कपूर। हाँ, मैंने वो
We're going to start a website so that people can just blame Ranbir Kapoor for this. We will shortly publish that website address, and everybody can just come and put their complaints and hit the title if it's all
he
for
thinks
it.
he's very smart. He's not on social media, so no one can criticize him. We'll make a site for him, and you can complain. Okay?
Hi Anushka. Hi Anushka. So, your Gujarati accent is pretty amazing and bang on. Thank you. So how did you prepare for it? What are your reference points?
Actually, I had a diction coach to teach me how to speak. Imtiaz sir has introduced me to a diction coach, Simple, who so basically phonetically how it should sound, you just write it exactly like that, and then you learn the lines in that passage. And after some time of Imtiaz, like we would sit and go through the scene, working on the accent. Even Imtiaz's understanding of this diction is actually strangely good. It is. And then we would just practice that. एक बार वो जहन में आ जाता है, तो then when you normally also you're talking, you're able to bring that in. So yeah, it will take some effort on my ability to research.
Hi Anushka. Recently, Charles said in an interview that while he was shooting Rajnikanth Adi Jodi, he paid him a compliment. He said that he's a very good human being, but he never said he's a very good actor. So now have you paid him that compliment finally?
9 साल हो गए इस बात को, अभी तक हम लोग क्यों डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? 9 years it's been.
But I want to know.
Yeah, of course you would want to know. See, what I told him was, what I meant, since I'm so philosophical, what I meant was that being a good actor, being good at your job, is like something that, you have, it's a given now, he's Shahrukh Khan. You can't say, who am I to comment on him and how he is as an actor, but I did tell him that the way he was with me throughout the film, and how he made me feel so important, and not, I didn't feel intimidated by him at all. And I did understand, of course, at that moment, the time that I was speaking to the team, I was extremely grateful for it. But even, in the years that have gone by, I've come to appreciate that more and more, like I told you earlier. And that is what I meant by he's a good person. But I think above all, of course, we all have to be very good at what we do, but it's also very important to be a good person above everything else. And that's my belief, very strong belief. And I think that's what I complimented him for, because for me, that is most important, as your question.
Hi Anushka. Sunita here. I want to ask you,
Are you also good? The goody fever is catching on. बड़ा ओरिजिनल सा क्वेश्चन है आपका, वैसे तो मानना पड़ेगा, मतलब it's not of nowhere, it's original. Of course, when I met Imtiaz, it was a great moment when I met Imtiaz and I felt so good. When Alok impersonated Mohit Chauhan, such amazing meetings we keep having with people all around. Yeah, I've had many moments. Imtiaz, when I met Imtiaz, he was just there. It was actually, so when I met, such meeting को आपके दिमाग में रहता है, बोल नहीं पाते, आप जहन नहीं कर सकते, जैसे मैंने अभी बोला ना.
He was like you.
I was like, stop. Yeah.
Hi, Imtiaz sir. Hi. Okay. Hi. Okay, so the film is already being appreciated. All the release plays, songs, people are loving the film already. The film has had wonderful response. So apart from all the excitement, do you feel that there's perhaps a little amount of pressure to meet the audience expectations?
Are you asking me?
Yes, sir.
Actually, luckily for me, I'm a director, and a director always has work to do. So,
As opposed to what actors do?
That is my question.
As opposed to acting, we start becoming ghosts in other films. But since there is always work to be done, there's no time to be nervous. You're editing, you're doing sound, lots of things, technical things which people don't know about have to be done. So there's no time to really get pressured or you just have to do as well as you can.
And what about you, Anushka? For the same thing. What about you?
I think expectations लोगों की होती है और हमारी भी खुद से होती है. But I think there's no need to get caught up in that. You can only do what you have to do well. And I think for me, I expect the most out of myself when I actually can do something about it, because then I have to choose the script, I have to prep for the role, I have to perform, I have to execute that preparation and shooting के समय पे उतना मेरे हाथ में होता है. Other than that, you can't kind of really get too caught up or worked up about things because it's not under your control. So I think that's the feeling that I have, and I think we've all worked really hard on this film, and I'm very happy with the film. So now you just leave it out there and wait for people to react to it and think,
और मेरे खान साहब मेरा सवाल आपसे है, आप हैं यहाँ आसपास?
He is currently disconnected. We're trying to reconnect.
तो इम्तियाज आपसे
He'll be back soon, Alok. So
आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, ये जो मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी थी गानों को लॉन्च करने की या अहमदाबाद जाना या फिर गाइड वाला, तो किसने ये सब कुछ शुरुआत की थी और कैसे?
ये क्या कोई फनी सवाल आपने किया? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. बहुत लोग हंसे इस पर.
मनोज ने खुद को स्क्रीन में देखा,
खुद पे जब
अच्छा तो स्ट्रेटजी के बारे में जरा बताएं.
हाँ, स्ट्रैटेजी के बारे में क्या पूछा था स्पेसिफिकली?
गानों को रिलीज जैसे किया गया अलग अलग शहरों में, या बहुत
किसका आइडिया था?
जैसे मुलाकात हुई उनके साथ?
जी. तो ये मिली भगत है. यहाँ पे मार्केटिंग टीम के बहुत सारे लोग हैं, वेब सीरीज मार्केटिंग टीम के, और फिर जो भी टीम में है वो लोग भी इन्वॉल्व हैं. आइडियाज तो कहीं से भी किसी भी तरफ से आ सकते हैं, बट अक्सर शाहरुख सर खुद आइडियाज लाते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड और इंथुसियास्टिक होते हैं. और किस तरह से कोई इवेंट है, जैसे ये इवेंट भी है, तो उसके बीच पीछे कंसेप्चुलाइजेशन इज ऑफन है. समटाइम्स इट कम्स फ्रॉम वेरियस सोर्सेस. जैसे कि वो गुजरात में सेजल से मिलने का आइडिया मेरे ख्याल से प्रभात का था, जो साइड प्रभात. ये आइडिया कि इस तरह से इंगेजमेंट होगा, ये शाहरुख का आइडिया है आज के दिन.
Your characters in your films are generally very layered and complex and very detailed. So when you direct someone like Shahrukh Khan who has an immense fascination, how different was it to characterize his role, and was it a pressure that you have to make a certain expectation that you have for him?
Because of Shahrukh himself, there was no pressure like that. Working with him was like working with any actor, and of course, sometimes during the shoot when there was too much crowd trying to break into see Shahrukh Khan and all that, you realize that he's a very big star. But otherwise, the way he carries himself, the way he participates in the way he is, you don't get the feeling while working with him that he's a very big star. कुछ हो रहा है तो मैं तो आ रहा है. Can you hear it? Anyway, so I'll continue with your answer. It was very easy also because he's a theatre actor, and more so because I'm from theatre and we both are in a way from Delhi theatre, which is very easy to communicate. And I was very happily surprised that we can hear you, sir. We can't see you yet. Can you hear us, Shahrukh sir? Please bear with us. We are trying to get in. Arun sir. अच्छा, anyway, just finishing off. So it was very easy to work with him. I was very happily surprised to know that he's a very basic theatre actor. And his presence, pitch is important, co-actor is important. I think Shahrukh Khan is the single most giving actor that I've ever worked with. He's very given towards his co-actors and towards everybody in the film.
ओके, मेरा सवाल इम्तियाज़ सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है। अगर मैं शाहरुख की बात करूँ तो खड़ा हुआ पीछे कैमरे में उनको प्रॉब्लम है। इनका सर मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि शाहरुख की अगर मैं बात करते हैं, वीर ज़ारा और रमने बनानी जोड़ी, कहीं पंजाबी किरदार उन्होंने निभाए। अगर मैं हैरी की बात करूँ, इस किरदार की बात करूँ, तो क्या खास आपने अलग रखा है क्योंकि वो चीज़ नज़र न आए, या उनका लहजा हो या उनका किरदार हो, क्या ऐसा what are the brief with Shahrukh and what you have kept in mind while working on that character?
I think when I was working on this character, I was not briefing him in reference to all the other work that he's done. I was not going there at all. I was just talking to him about this character. इसकी खास बात कुछ है कि ये बाहर विदेश में रहते हैं और इसकी वजह से उनका तलफ़ुज़, उनका हाव भाव अलग है। So I was just talking to him about Harry and Harinder Singh Mehra and इसका क्या बचपन में हुआ होगा, etc. to create that story, and that helped. I never referred to the other characters that he played.
कॉकटेल टू जल्दी में इसी फिल्में आपने फिल्में अलग तरह की फिल्में करती हैं, खास करके लव टू सुरक्षा का, चाहे वो तमाशा हो चाहे वो हाईवे हो। क्या इम्तियाज़ आप मानते हैं ये पहली आपकी, आई होप यू टेक इट ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट, क्योंकि मैं इसी नोट से कहना चाह रहा हूँ आपसे, दिस इज योर वेरी फर्स्ट कमर्शियल मसाला हिंदी फिल्म?
ये तो पता चलेगा बाद में ना। I've not written it like that. Like I've made Jab Bhi Met before, or Kesha Mata, or Tamasha. For me, all of them are the same. They obviously become very different ultimately for the audience. So yeah, but this film is not in the same way as let's say Tamasha. It's different genre. ये कि हम दोनों, बल्कि हम तीनों यहाँ पर हैं, हम तीनों बाहर से हैं, तो अगर हमारे खिलाफ कोई भाई भतीजावाद या नेपोटिज्म हुआ होता तो फिर हम होते नहीं। मैं अपने बारे में ये बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस से कह सकता हूँ कि अगर मैं यहाँ पर हूँ तो इट इज़ ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द लव एंड अफेक्शन ऑफ द एग्जिस्टिंग फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एट दैट टाइम, दैट टू लिसन टू मी स्टार्स द ओनली प्लेस दैट आई ट्रूली बिलोंग। So I don't see it. I don't know about Anushka.
Like what he said, if we are here today, it's because we are here today and we've reached where we are within the film industry. I have personally, I would say, been launched by Daniel like Yash Raj Singh, who has always, with me, he will always put talent before anything else. I don't even think this is something that I was thought of for when I entered the industry. But at the same time, I think such experiences अलग होते हैं, and we all have to respect and value that. Yeah, that's it. Film industry में different people can be treated differently, and that has to be respected and valued.
Sorry ma'am, one last question.
Hi Anushka.
क्या इस आउटसाइडर जो होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर आने के बाद इतनी मेहनत करके जैसे आप लोग आज इस मुकाम तक पहुँचे हैं, उसके बाद इंडस्ट्री के जो लोग होते हैं वो बिलीव करते हैं, इज दैट राइट? आप लोगों के
You're asking whether it is right or wrong. लेकिन मैं सुन लिया आपकी बात। आप इस तरह से पूछ रही जैसे कि ऐसा होता ही है ना, ये आपका जमते है ना। मैं आई एम टेलिंग यू, अगर ऐसा होता तो सही होता या गलत होता तो ऑब्वियसली गलत होता। तो कोई नहीं बोलेगा हाँ ठीक है।
Okay, sorry, guys. Last question. Let's keep it. Okay, sorry. Okay, one last question. Let's keep it positive, fluffy, and simple little brainboard. One positive question, and we are wrapping it up.
Hi, Anushka. Now that I've created engagement, when will you come to me at launching your
Actually, film thriller. That is what the suspense of the film is going to be. So for that, you have to watch the film to find out who my fiancé is. Anushka in the film was
Okay, guys.
Anushka in the film. Anushka.
Imtiaz sir, your movie got UA certificate from the censor board.
I'm really sorry, ma'am. Did I say something nasty to you? I'm really sorry.
Imtiaz sir.
I'm really sorry.
Sir, here.
We have got a UA certificate as you have seen in the film, and they did not ask for any of such deletion from the film. There were some audio changes. There was no visual cut. There was no video cut. There was some audio. There was minor things. So it's all okay, and we are very happy with the certificate. One second, sir. I'll ask if somebody wants to ask you a question and get the answer like this. Anybody wants to ask you something? Last time. Yes. Sir, we are asking somebody's asking a question. I'll repeat it for you. Oh, he's back. Oh, great. Okay.
Obviously, guys, Gujarati was involved. The people are being very, very clear.
Listen, I'm sorry to cut this.
Because my mummy is asking me questions.
The point is that while Shahrukh sir is here, I think before he goes away, please ask questions that you want.
Okay, I think we are going to wrap up, but before we wrap up, Shahrukh sir is going to speak few words to us. Okay. Shahrukh sir, you're on mic. So we have connected 3 mics so that the whole of Mumbai city can hear your voice. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. थोड़ा सा हमारा ये technical glitch हो गया. So I'm really not fast. But I've been listening to everything. Of course, you would not hear very something. सवाल आप से मैं कितना भी जाऊँगा. But as soon as I act the program, you have to do that. And I hope you enjoy the dinner and thank you very much.
Okay, sir. He heard that. Yeah.
सबके लिए अलग अलग कोर्स में कंप्लीट करके एग्जाम देते थे और कोई हाथी नहीं कंप्लीट एग्जाम.
Okay, good.
And that's a wrap. And before we say goodbye, Shahrukh sir, we would like if you wave at us over here down in Mumbai. And that is a wrap. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you guys have a great evening. Drive safe. Thank you so much. My name is RJ Syed. And it is a wrap.